Hi everyone, welcome back to our craft studio. Today we are going to make something super duper colorful and happy, a beautiful rainbow paper plate craft. Are you ready to get started? First, let's gather our supplies. You will need a paper plate, different colored construction paper, some cotton balls, a glue stick or liquid glue, and safety scissors. Remember to always ask a grown-up for help with scissors. Okay, first step. We need to cut our paper plate in half. Grown-ups, this is where you can help little hands. Carefully cut your paper plate right down the middle like this. Now we have 2 half moons. Next, let's make our rainbow colors. We need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple construction paper. We are going to cut long strips from each color. Our strips should be about 1 finger wide. Remember to be careful with your scissors. Now for the fun part. Let's glue our rainbow onto our paper plate. Take your glue stick and put some glue on the flat edge of your half plate. Start with red and press it down firmly, then orange, then yellow, green, blue, and purple. Make sure each color touches the one before it. Our rainbow looks amazing. But what do rainbows always have at the end? Fluffy clouds. Take your cotton balls and gently pull them apart to make them extra fluffy. Now put some glue on both ends of your rainbow and stick on your clouds. Wow, look what we made! A beautiful, colorful paper plate rainbow. Isn't it wonderful? You can hang it in your room, give it to a friend, or just admire your amazing craft work. Thanks for crafting with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun crafts. See you next time. Bye!